Welcome to Life 101 with Brenna. Today we're making bomb cupcakes with just your average store-bought cake mix. So what you're going to need is obviously your cake mix and the ingredients according to the box. So mine says I need water, vegetable oil, and eggs. You're going to need obviously a mixing bowl, something to mix with. Cupcake liners so you can line them and then put them in your pan. And if you really wanted to, you could add frosting. I decided I wanted funfetti frosting.
Okay, now I set my oven to 350 and here I am adding in my cake mix, my eggs, my water, and lastly my vegetable oil. And now I'm going to mix all that together so that there is no mix left. Then I line my pans with those cupcake liners. Then you'll fill your cupcake liners with the batter about halfway so that there's still room for the cupcakes to rise. And then you'll go ahead and slide those into the oven for however long your box said. Mine said 16 minutes.
Okay, so after making all the cupcakes, I just put them in the oven. So while those are cooking, I'm going to take my frosting and I'm going to put it into a big Ziploc baggie so it's like a piping bag because... Okay, so I just finished putting all the frosting in a bag. It looks really messy, but you see the majority of the frosting is down at the bottom. So you can hold it like this and then cut the tip however. You can do funky shapes for different types of frosting. I'm just going to cut it straight across when that time comes. So now that the cupcakes are out of the oven, we're going to give them like 2 to 3 minutes to cool down before we add the frosting on. Okay, so now that the cupcakes are all cooled, I'm going to take my frosting and we're just going to start frosting the cupcakes. Okay, so as a finishing touch on these cupcakes, I am adding just little sprinkles to all of them. Okay, so I have my brother here to try the finished product. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Just go. Are they good?
Yeah.
And that's how you make bomb cupcakes with pre-made cake mix. From VTV, I'm Brenna.